Welcome to Remember When, part of Homemaking Through the Decades. Here we look back at the everyday moments that shaped our homes, our families, and our traditions. Do you remember when life felt just a little simpler? Let's take a trip down memory lane. Imagine walking to the corner bakery and buying a loaf of bread for just a nickel. Can you picture it? Bread was a staple in every home, with homemakers often rising early to bake fresh loaves. The warm aroma filled kitchens, inviting families to gather around the table. Every slice mattered, whether stretching a meal or enjoying a simple snack. In the 1920s and 1930s, bread could cost as little as 5 cents. Picture yourself in a kitchen filled with the comforting aroma of fresh bread, its warmth promising a simple pleasure that brought families together. Each loaf, whether purchased for a nickel or lovingly baked from scratch, carried stories of laughter, conversation, and care. These everyday moments, sharing a slice with a loved one or simply enjoying the taste, became cherished traditions. As we look back, we rediscover the beauty found in simplicity and the connections that made every home unique. What's your favorite memory of fresh bread? Homemade or store-bought? Share in the comments.